I had heard that RMIT had a really great reputation for design, and I was drawn to also studying in Brunswick because I liked the area. I looked at the two options of doing a degree versus doing a diploma. The diploma of graphic design was perfect. It sort of was really skills focused and gave me some training with software, which is something you absolutely need to be taught. Many light bulb moments with someone sitting down and showing you how something works, and they're there with you and you can ask them questions. From conversations I've had with people that have studied elsewhere or done degrees, they don't cover all of that stuff. I was a little bit older and I sort of was really ready to work and make some stuff, and the TAFE course was the perfect vehicle for that. I kind of built that skill set up quite fast and could already start making things, and that felt amazing.